What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another Menlo House reveal or unbagging or unboxing in this case. So let's go ahead and let's see what's in this month's subscription. Have a tea. Looks like a simple kind of olive greenish brown tea. And a jacket. Arguably a little hot for this time of year, but it looks to be like a bomber jacket. Pretty nice. Is there anything else? Nope. So that's this month's subscription. Let's see how it looks on the person. So here it is. Here is the full outfit. I paired these up with a nice, just normal pair of blue jeans that anyone would have in their closet. And here is the full outfit. Very nice, casual. You can go out on a night. You can definitely use this outfit to go out if you wanted to for relatively decent dinner. The thickness of the jacket definitely is for like a more of a, I would definitely say a cooler night, but definitely, if it was raining, if it was like under 50 degrees Fahrenheit, probably need something thicker or a scarf. Here's it. Here's the jacket unzipped. Still nice, pretty good bomber jacket, It's definitely, again, I like my clothes a little bit more form-fitting. So it is a little bit restrictive in terms of like me holding my hands up high, or if I were to go like this, can't even make my fingers touch because it's stretched. The back is pretty much like pulling against me, but it's not like I can't, I can still drive with it. There's still good amount of motion. Just I hope you're not gonna be tackling someone or doing something a little bit irregular with this. But overall, definitely comfortable. Right now, obviously, it's summer, so I won't be wearing this out anytime soon because it's like 90 degrees outside. But in the winter and the fall, this would be perfect, for a light breezy day, 60, 50 degrees-ish, pretty good. Anywhere below like 55, you're probably gonna want something thicker, but overall, this is, really comfortable. So let me know what you guys think. Please give this video a like, subscribe, and tune in for next time for more Menlo House unpackaging. Later, guys.